Okay, here we go. We're up on the roof. Here's the map. And you're going to get 2 chests really easily. Take a look around here. So we'll grab this first chest. And while we do that, I wanted to share with you that, Biden just dropped out of the presidential race. I mean, if you're ever going to invite Jesus into your life, this could be the time. Drop on down. Any one of those holes, it doesn't matter. The mystical crate is up there on top, right there. But you might be thinking, well, Garrett, you don't know all the bad things I've done. Sure I do. All of us have done bad things. All of us are terrible sinners. This is a great time to invite Jesus into your heart. And if he's already there, this is a great time to work on your relationship with him deeper and deeper, more and more. Praise God.